Welcome to inventory management in our GGMS software. Here uh, you can manage your products, their sale, their purchase. Also you can manage the complete stock here. Like to manage your products, you have to add them first as you say here. Like here's product name. You have to enter like whey protein as I can take anything here, or we have to take the product name. Then brand name, like we can take as MB protein. Here is MB, is brand name. We can take barcode name as anything we can take here. Like we have to put the barcode number here, or it is optional. You can mention on if you want to mention, then you can mention here. Then you have to select unit type, in which type you are selling the product or purchasing the product. So you just take it as pieces if I am dealing in pieces. Then you have to choose the product image. So you can take the product image like anything I can take here. Let us suppose like I can take this as a product image. Here's selling price. In what price you are selling the product? So like we are selling in 700, right? And we are taking this product in, like we are purchasing this product in 500. Okay, you can mention the description of product, like anything you can mention here, and then submit. So now what we have to do, we have to enter the stock, like we have to enter the purchase. From here you can enter your purchase bill, like you purchase this product in bulk. So we have to select the product. Here is that product description. It will automatically come here, and then quantity, like you purchased 50 pieces. Okay, then the amount will auto calculate as like purchasing amount. Okay, then the vendor details, from which vendor you are purchasing this. Then mobile number, you can take it as mobile number. Address you can take here, and remark. Then your paid amount, if you got any discount, then you can mention the discount here, like 1000 you got the discount on that purchase. Then how much you paid, like you paid complete in online or check. By check you paid, and then submit. Then you can take the bill from here. Okay, now just go to sale. Now you are selling that product to your members or end user. So here is the product, and like the quantity, like 5 pieces you sell out, and the amount will automatically be come here as selling price. Then customer details you can mention. Then total paid amount, and method cash, then cash, and submit. So in this method you can manage your sale, purchase, and stock also. So here's the stock report. You can check your stock, like the product you purchased in 50, and sell out the 5 and balance will be 45. So